My name is Femke Van Schalkwijk and I'm an international student from the Netherlands. I'm currently studying business analytics at Menlo College and interning at Marcus Millichap as a real estate investment broker.
My name is Cole Kroeker. I go to Menlo College, I'm studying finance, and I'm doing my internship at the Levin Johnston group of Marcus and Millichap.
This internship has helped me grow through obtaining analytical problem-solving skills in a real-world environment.
At school, you're in the classrooms and being taught certain things, but here in the office, you really have dived completely headfirst into it, and you're getting the full experience.
Starting my freshman year, I always went to a lot of networking events where I met professionals. And besides that, I also did some conferences where I was the moderator, and I think that really prepared me for this internship.
Time management and communication, and a lot of the classes at Menlo offer open-ended discussions throughout everyone in the class with their professors. And when you go into the workplace, this happens a lot with your associates and your directors, and I feel very confident doing so now. My advice for future interns is really get out of your comfort zone. Myself, coming to Menlo, I had two big fears: speaking English and public speaking. And so what I did was doing conferences and being a moderator, standing in front of 100 people and talking. And that's how I overcame it. When Menlo has an event, go to it. Go to as many events as possible, expand your network, and put yourself out there. Lastly, if you think you're working hard, work harder.